This is Zon EL08. It is equipped with a receiver and also a transmitter, 4-channel transmitter, and it is actually a fully electronic new model from Zon Scarecrows. And you see here it is mounted on a tripod, and a cylinder of gas, in this case is an LPG gas, is hung from the swivel head of the tripod. And you see the tripod tray here. It's a platform with a 12-volt battery to power the equipment, and the receiver is a 1 kilometer range paired with the transmitter from RF Solution UK. Okay, I will show you that with pressing the number 1 channel will initiate a blast of 4 times from EL08. Okay, I think we have made too much noise at the moment. We'll have to stop here for the time being. Okay, that's the EL08, ladies and gentlemen. Equipped with the radio transmitter, paired together with the receiver, and mounted on the tripod. And this equipment is very useful for bird aircraft strike hazard, bash, bird control at airports and other places. Thank you.